OSHA has suspended enforcement of President Biden's vaccination mandate set to go in effect in January for companies with more than 100 employees.
As News 8's David Gottfredson reports, the move comes after a federal court of appeals put the mandate on hold pending judicial review.
President Biden's vaccine mandate for private companies with more than 100 employees was supposed to go into effect on January 4th. It gives workers two options: get vaccinated or undergo weekly testing for COVID-19.
The administration clearly has the authority to protect workers, and actions announced by the president are designed to save lives and stop the spread of COVID-19.
Last week, the conservative Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans put a stay on the mandate while several states challenge it. On Thursday, OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, posted on its website that it's suspending enforcement of the mandate per the court order. Some business organizations were concerned employees would quit once the mandate took effect.
Most employers want to do the right thing, and they don't want to be on the wrong side of OSHA. They don't want to face, fines and such. And so this is the delicate conversation that's happening today in boardrooms as they're talking to their staff, saying, how do we roll this out and implement this and not cause a lot of people to decide they want to leave the company.
California already mandates vaccines for healthcare workers, teachers, and state employees. The director of the state's Department of Public Health says he supports the federal mandate to combat the spread of COVID-19.
Most people that look at this think it's the right strategy to go because it encourages people to get vaccinated, but ultimately gives the individual employee the final choice.
The more than 30 challenges to Biden's vaccine mandate will now be consolidated and head to the Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati, which is also dominated by conservative judges. Carlo?
David, we may not have a date set for that court to hear the challenges yet, but is it fair to expect this case will end up in front of the U.S. Supreme Court?
Yes, the challenges are coming from several Republican states and several large employers, so legal experts say it does appear that the case will end up before the Supreme Court.
David Gottfredson reporting live. Thanks, David.